No, you put it over here. This cucumber over here.
This cucumber, yeah. This
needs
cucumber
to
over
be
here.
picked.
Okay. Did it grow? Twist, twist.
And then pull it off. Yay! Awesome.
Wait. There's another cucumber.
Down right there at the bottom.
Down.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And there's also another one.
All right. So you twist, twist, twist. Twist. And then pull. Awesome.
2 cucumbers.
How big is the other one that's left there?
That's cucumber.
I think we can also harvest that. Careful of the rest. See, the others are still growing, so you must be gentle with it, yeah?
Okay.
Twist.
Twist.
Twist. Keep twisting. Twist. Twist. Wait. Whoa. Now you're twisting the whole plant. Wait, let me help you. We don't want to twist that branch over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise, the cucumbers will break off. Wait, let me help. Okay?
Help?
Yes, I'm helping. Otherwise, we are going to lose the whole plant, yeah?
Yeah. We don't want that.
We don't want that. Now you can pull off. Awesome.
3 cucumbers.
3 cucumbers. We've been having so many cucumbers. I think even 3 is a lot now.
I think
it's looking nice and lovely in the garden today.
Ooh, it's nice and lovely in the garden. Is this your garden?
Well, it's mine and yours and Daddy's.
Yeah, that's what a Quanzi family's garden.
Always say welcome to our polytunnel.
Yeah. 2 Swiss chards. Oh, whoops.
Started raining.
It's raining again. Oh, the polytunnel is raining again. The chicken coops might be wet.
Well, half of the sides always have a roof, so they'll be okay.
Yep, they'll be okay. And the other sides.
Thank you so much for joining us. That's about all the time we had today. Decided to do a mini garden tour just to show you our garden that has been in full bloom and the harvests that are coming in every day. We are deep in preservation season right now. We're drying what we can, we are freezing what we can, we are canning what we can, and God has been blessing us. It's been such a huge blessing to be able to have so much fresh food and to be able to store for later. Well, see you next time. God bless.